You can hear the wind. Hasn't ran in, I don't know, today's Monday? Or sorry, today is Saturday. Truck hasn't ran since Wednesday, pretty much ever since the snow started. Not plugged in, literally can't plug it in. New cables right here. So, this should be fun. My money's on it doesn't start. That's usually the track record of a 7.3. First time I've been outside since it started snowing. This sucks. It's cold. Oh, we got a light. That's always a plus. We're gonna hop up in here. Whew. Like, where the mice? Oh, voltage is a little on the low side. Sitting about 11 and a half, 12. We're definitely gonna let this run for a second. Probably do a second cycle as well. It's not sounding like it's got much juice. Fingers crossed. Come on. Oh, she's angry today. Hell yeah. Started though. Woo. Yep. Not plugged in. It's not even attached. Actually, one of the cords. There's two cords on there. But yeah, I gotta get the new cord on so I can start plugging it in. So I don't gotta do that, because that's a nightmare to try to start. Can't believe she actually started up. That's cool. It's gotta be, I don't know, it got down to like 17 degrees the other night. It's been getting down into teens and 20s at night. Well, I guess I'll let this warm up and take off. Thought I'd shoot a little Michigan's cold 7.3 startup video. I know some of my southern friends, they talk about their cold starts when it's 50 and 40s. It's like, man, my truck don't hesitate in that stuff. You get down in the 20s, it sure does. I almost forgot. High idle. We're gonna need that shit. Figured at least show some of my southern followers snowy mess we got to deal with. Drifting pretty decent over here. fun. It sucks when you break stuff though. It doesn't, pretty much same as mud bogging. Yeah, some of the roads are drifted pretty good. Like this ain't nothing crazy bad. This is just, I don't know, just a pretty normal snowstorm really. At least for our part, where I'm at. Oh, this don't look good. Nice. Someone got stuck. Oh, got my strap with me. I guess it's a little drifted more than I thought it was. Or at least this is. This road's bad. That sucks. I wasn't getting through. Help them out if I had my rope, but I think they got them. Looks like they're coming through now. This one's drifted over pretty decent too. It's supposed to get pretty bad. I think like another, I don't know, 1 to 4 inches or 2 to 4 inches it's supposed to fall today. But I hope if you go out drifting, always make sure you got someone with you. But if not, well, make sure you at least have a shovel. Yeah, hell, these are the main roads. Not too bad. I mean, this is actually pretty clear. In fact, you get a full patch of both tires. This ain't too bad. Crazy part is a plow just went through here. Seen it when I was going by the last time. Probably not even plowing, to be honest though. Probably was just dropping salt.